Okay, something that's often used in determining how much horsepower can be gained by modifying an engine is Bmep, which is brake mean effective pressure. It's the pressure it would take on the power stroke of the engine to produce your max horsepower at peak RPM. Now, an easy way is if you already know your peak horsepower at the RPM, which I know the factory claimed for the GT250. It's 32 horsepower at 8,000 RPMs. So the formula, Bmep equals horsepower times 6,500 divided by displacement in liters times max RPM. Horsepower is 32 times 6,500, 208,000. Now, cc to liters is pretty easy. Bike is 247 cc's, so that's 0.247 liters times 8,000 RPMs, 1976. Bmep stock is 105.26. So then I pretty much use this formula backwards to check my work. The plan divided by 32,000 formula. P is Bmep, L, piston stroke in feet, A, area of piston in squared inches squared, N, number of power strokes per minute. 105.26 for the Bmep. Piston stroke in feet, area of piston, number of power strokes per minute, because it's a twin, 8,000 RPMs, 16,000 power strokes. Do the math, come out with 32 horsepower. In future videos, I'll show you where Bmep comes in to play in modifying an engine, especially in building the exhaust pipes. And I'll show you that and other formulas and the software that I use to build the pipes. And I might show how I used to do it all by hand, but that's a lot of work. So, see you in the next video.